Hello and welcome to Kindy Kids TV. Today we're going to be looking at Mickey Mouse Mouskatools, which is a Play-Doh set from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You get 5 different tools to use. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 pots of Play-Doh. And on the back it shows us what we can do. Let's open it up and have a good look and see what we can make with Mickey Mouse. So we've taken everything out of the box. Now let's have a look. So we get this little roller that you can cut the Play-Doh with. It's got some little details there. A star and a Mickey Mouse hand. Let's see what else. A little roller. So when you roll out the Play-Doh you can make stamps as you go along. This Mickey Mouse head with a big hand. If you open it up, you can pop Mickey Mouse in there or make him with Play-Doh, and we can make a press out hand. And we have 2 shoes, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, with different things on the bottom. 3 pots of the Play-Doh, very tiny pots of Play-Doh, really small. This is the size we get in the container. And this is the normal size of Play-Doh, so much smaller. Right, let's get stuck into making our first thing. I think we might make Mickey Mouse in blue. Open it up. So we've cut Mickey Mouse out. There we go. And I might make a big yellow hand. Open it up. And we have made a cool little hand. That's Mickey Mouse's hand. We can do Minnie Mouse's little stamper, and we can do her bows that Minnie Mouse likes to do, and a little love heart there as well. So let's give Minnie a pink bow. This is Minnie's little bow, but Minnie likes to have polka dots on her bow, doesn't she? So let's go ahead and give her some polka dots. There we go. Minnie's little boutique bow. So now it's time to use the Mickey Mouse stamper. Now underneath is a nice stamp of Mickey Mouse. So I think we're going to give him a yellow face, and we will give him blue ears. Stamp it down. This is what it looks like. So I've gone ahead and cut Mickey out, and I've popped some eyes on just to make it look a little bit more like Mickey, sort of. A yellow and blue Mickey, that is. And now we'll use the cutter and the roller. So you just roll out a piece of dough, and we use our stamper, pop it on, and you just roll. So you just get Mickey Mouse's handprints all along. Now use the cutter. So we'll just flatten it out a little bit. See what we can do. You you just get your cutter and you just roll it along. And what it does is it cuts it in a wavy line for you. So if you wanted to do some decorations or some waves, you could make some wavy waves out of that. The other part of this cutter has two little press outs there. This big red star. Get a roller. That's our little star that's come out. And we will do a hand in yellow. There's the little hand. Now this has been a really good Play-Doh set from Disney's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And it's the Mouskatools set. Who's your favourite character in Disney's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Is it Mickey or Minnie or Donald or Daisy? Let us know in the comments below. Now if you haven't already subscribed to Kindy Kids TV and you'd like to watch more of our videos, please press the big red yes subscribe button. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!